Apple and blue cheese pull-apart scones. Preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius. For the filling, place chorizo in a bowl with blue cheese, chopped chives, and half the mozzarella. Stir them together and season with salt and pepper. For the scone dough, make a well in the centre of the flour, pour in the buttermilk and sprinkle with remaining mozzarella. Take a flat-bladed knife and just cut and fold the mixture to form a soft dough. This stops you over mixing, which can make the scones tough. Now, knead the dough gently on a lightly floured surface until it just comes together. Divide the dough into 2 portions. Take one portion and roll it into a rectangle shape, about 20 centimetres wide and 40 centimetres long. Cut the rectangle in half lengthways. Spread half the filling over one rectangle. Top with apple slices and then cover with the other rectangle, pressing the edges to seal the filling. Cut into 6 pieces and repeat with remaining dough and filling. Spray the muffin pan with olive oil spray. Turn each dough piece so the cut side is facing up and twist slightly to fit into the muffin holes. Brush the scones with more buttermilk and bake for about 20 minutes until the scones are golden and brown and cooked through. Sprinkle the scones with more chopped chives and serve warm with butter. These rustic pull-apart savoury scones are a great way to bake with delicious in-season apples. For more baking inspiration, check out our Make It From Scratch playlist here, and to make sure you don't miss out on any of our videos, click here to subscribe.